Hey, to get the live wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S23, first of all we have to go to the settings. Next we have to scroll down and we have to go into the themes. Right now we'll be moved into the Galaxy theme store, and here we have to go into the wallpapers and then tap on the right upper corner and type live. Click on the search, and here we can find the live wallpapers. And when you've got the video in the right bottom corner of each preview wallpaper, it means that it's actually the animated wallpaper, and you can get paid or the free wallpapers. So let's try, for example, this one. That's also the preview how it looks. So let's click to download. Now click apply and click done. As you can see, it was applied to the lock screen. So when I lock my screen and turn it on, as you can see, that's my lock screen wallpaper. And that's live wallpaper. Of course, you can also set it up into the home screen. So right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.